Please subscribe.
There's not really another truck available that looks as cool, fun, and agreeable as the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Following quite a wall of non-appearance, a manufacturing plant constructed Jeep badge truck is at long last back. The Gladiator doesn't simply stand apart for its structure, however. The truck has extraordinary rough terrain capacities, as well, and even the sport, base, model accompanies fair gear and a four-entryway lodge. Be that as it may, despite the fact that we enjoyed it in general, its ride and taking care of could be improved. Each judge gave the Gladiator high checks for its novel structure. With a wide body and an upstanding plan, this current Jeep's extents make it attractive from each edge. Nothing else resembles the Gladiator, and in the packed market where brand devotions ain't what they used to be, I thoroughly consider standing is a major in addition to, Senior Highlights Manager Jonny Lieberman said. Some portion of that uniqueness is on its top. The Gladiator is the main convertible truck you can get today, regardless of whether you settle on the delicate top or the hard top. Having a Jeep implies you're getting great rough terrain capacities, and the Gladiator is no special case. In spite of its long wheelbase, the Rubicon was the main truck that endured the greater part of a rough terrain course in two-wheel drive, demonstrating noteworthy verbalization and footing. Regardless of whether it was experiencing the tycoons, up a lot of stairs, or on a rough slope climb, the Rubicon didn't hold back. Discussion about execution of proposed work, the Gladiator hits the imprint. Be that as it may, those rough terrain slashes hurt its ride and taking care of on asphalt. The fun ride on the road and its delicate and conflicting controlling had the Gladiator moving left and right on the interstate. Regardless of whether it was the sport model with the 6-speed manual and the delicate top or the Rubicon with the 8-speed programmed and the hard top, the two trucks were boisterous and somewhat awkward for long rides. The two trucks are entirely defenseless to crosswinds, highlights proofreader Scott Evans said. The controlling must be continually observed and overseen, similar to the old-school EV front pivot it is. Judges favored the 8-speed programmed over the manual in pretty much every case. The 6-speed's rigging proportions are so spread out that it was elusive the correct apparatus at times. When towing up Davis Dam, partner street test manager Eric Iapana needed to remain in second rigging until he hit redline. At that point when moving to third, the truck battled to continue picking up speed. While towing a similar load as the Ford Ranger, its nearest partner in the current year's opposition, the Jeep appeared to be progressively stressed. In any event, when it rode unladen, it was difficult to pick an apparatus to remain in. Every one of the riggings are excessively long. First apparatus experiences 31 miles per hour, second apparatus through 60 miles per hour, and third apparatus through around 100 miles per hour, Highlights manager Christian Seabaugh said. For a truck that should work or go mud romping, that is honestly crazy. In any event, when you take its standard V6 motor, four-wheel drive footing, and expanded lodge into thought, the Gladiator's $35,040 beginning value is in any case very high for the section. Our Gladiator Rubicon sticker price moved toward that of a Ram 1500 Rebel Eco Diesel, which lives in a portion over the fair-size Jeep. The 2020 Jeep Gladiator has all that it needs to appropriately speak to the brand. Its plan, rough terrain capacities, and uniqueness are what cause such a great amount to notice it. However, its uneven ride, uproarious lodge, and conflicting directing make us wonder if clients are surrendering an excessive amount to be found in a cool truck.